Hey y'all, Renee here from Zone 9B, Florida. Welcome back to my channel. If you're not a subscriber, please go ahead and do so or leave a comment down below on something that you see. I love to see what you guys have written. So I just got home from work and the coffee is brewed and I'm gonna sit down and drink a little bit, and then I just have a water gardening experience today. So I probably need to water some of my plants on my racks. I need to water some of my air layerings I've been doing, and I may even lay down a soaker hose. I know I did that in another video, but I've decided to add one more to it. I gotta be quick today though, because it's negotiation day with my union and my school board. So yeah, we've been working without a contract since August. Welcome to Florida. All my fellow teachers in Florida know what I'm talking about. So I'm going to be watching that live stream. So I'm looking forward to that. Maybe we'll settle today. Keep your fingers crossed for me. So I'm going to go ahead and drink my coffee, which, by the way, I know I've been talking to you about using the royal cinnamon, delish. I also put mushroom powder in my coffee and let it dissolve a little bit. Really, I'm really into the whole mushroom experience. We've gone shrooming a few times, and it is just fun, even just being able to identify what you see, let alone finding all the medicinals and edibles out there too. So I'm gonna go ahead and drink my coffee. I'm gonna get those chores done. So hang tight. All right, so my dahlias that are in pots right now in my garage waiting for planting, water meter, so important. I checked them out and they were on the dry side. So I went ahead and watered those, and then I just thought I'd show you some of them. These are the ones from Walmart, not even the one from Lowe's that were huge. I have a lot of growth going on those right now. They may be begging to be planted sooner rather than later. All right, so starting with this one, there's growth here, and there is growth over here, and over here too. Now the ones that I dug up from my yard and the ones that I bought from Lowe's, they're all still sleeping. But I'm not too worried because I've checked the bulbs and they're pretty hard still. All right, so I have some water in a container. I have a big syringe, and what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over here in this little black ball, and I can see it's pretty dry. And I'm just gonna squirt water until I see it starting to come out of the bottom. There we go. And I'm just gonna repeat that for the rest of the air layerings that I have. then I have this air layering down here in a pot. I'm just going to slowly pour water into there. Now I have to do... Hey y'all, there's a drone up above me. Yeah, it's right there. Two things. That flipping drone, it keeps going over my house. Now I understand I got a beautiful yard, so obviously you must be looking for some beauty in your life. If that's the case, you found it. Second thing, negotiations have started. As I was walking through my house to get my hose, I gotta grab my popcorn, my friends. The superintendent won't sit in on negotiations, so she makes these printed statements and then they read it off. I'm just saying, I need my popcorn. All right, let's get this done so I can rewind it and then watch that. Yeah. So this is the hose that I put in a different video, and I really thought I need to have one going the other way around. All right, I think I'm gonna do rings with the soaker hose around each plant. I think that's gonna be a better use of the hose and the water. So let me go ahead and work on that. All right, after doing some finagling, they're all now encircled. The hose is not sitting along any of the trunks, and no job is too easy. I had to redo a lot of these to make sure I had enough length to do the entire part that had just the single hose previously. All right, y'all, I'm gonna call that a wrap because I want to see what's going on my TV inside. Anyway, I'll see you in the next video. I hope you're able to make something beautiful in your world today. Bye, y'all.